Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 Houston. We're doing a walkthrough of a never lived in P floor plan at the Hanover Autry Park. This is open to us to see. It's got 1634 square feet, so let's go take a look at it. Wow, great. So you've got the bathroom that's over here ready to go, so easy for guests to access. You do have a washer and dryer over there. You've got a closet that's over here, and then you've got this very pretty living area. So here's a bar area that's over here. You also have a work from home area, and look at this. Isn't this great? Talk about some fantastic views. This is delightful. This is a huge area that you can do whatever you want with. This is amazing. And it's got a really nice complementary kitchen that just is nice, and it just creates a really good, easy presence for you to you can be walking around here. You can have guests that are going over here, and then they can just be enjoying themselves with these incredible views. I'm going to walk through the kitchen just a little bit more so you can see it. Kitchen is beautiful. I'm just noticing all of these cabinets with this beautiful cabinetry. I'm looking at this beautiful backsplash. It's very high end. This is a very nice white quartz countertops as well. This is really pretty. I'm going to walk into one of the bedrooms so you can see it. This is, I believe, the master. Sorry, it's the guest. So it's the guest bedroom, and you've got the more of the windows that are here. About 75% covering floor to ceiling. You've got the space that looks like this over here. You would put your bed over here, so that's very nice. You would go here into the bathroom. You've got your closet over here. Good size. It's walk-in, plenty of shelving. And then we walk over here, and here is your shower. This is very nice. I'm going to walk briefly into the master so you can see that as well. So the master is here. You can put your bed over there. Terrific views that are over there. And then you've got your dual sinks in this master. And look at this, just gorgeous shower and tub. And then your walk-in is over here. Wow, this is a really pretty floor plan. I love it. It's stunning. I want you to reach out to us to get more information about these floor plans. We've also recorded quite a few videos of this beautiful residence, and these are our videos exclusive. Reach out to us. We can give you more information. We can help you find the perfect place, and we're 100% free service. Our information is uptown101houston.com/search, uptown101houston.com/search. Fill out a free search request. We'll start chatting. We'll find your perfect place here in Houston. Talk to you soon.